Hey everyone, how's it going? So, after the new Godzilla movie came out, I thought it would be fun to show you guys how to draw some of the different characters in a cartoon form. And one of the characters I want to show you how to draw is Cartoon Mechagodzilla. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our Cartoon Mechagodzilla, we're going to begin right here with the face. I'm going to start by making a little line that's going to go across. Next, we're going to make a long line that comes up at a diagonal, and then another long line up here. Next, we're going to bring these lines in with two diagonal lines. And we're just going to come right across here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down on each side. I'm going to go up and up like this. So we're going to go up and up like this. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes out on each side. We're going to come down. And I'm going to bring this in. Right to about where these points would line up. We're going to make two lines that come down. And we're going to make two lines that come in. Then they're going to go down, over, and then up. Starting here, we're going to make a line that goes out, and we're going to make a line that goes out here. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes down, and another one that comes down. And then we're going to make a line that comes across. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down, and then one over here. Then we'll make a little line that goes down on each side. We'll make a line that goes up, over, and down, up, over, and down. Then I'll make another one that goes up, over, and down, up, over, and then down. With a nice line across. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down, and then another one over here that comes down. We're going to go in at an angle on each side. Then we're going to go down and right across. Now, starting here, I'm going to continue this line down on each side. Then right here, we're going to make a line that comes out. And we're just going to make this down and come over. We're going to go down and then come over. Now, starting up here, we're going to make a line that goes out, and then it's going to come right to here. So we're going to go out and bring it right to here. We'll bring this line down a little bit on each side. Then I want to connect it to here. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that goes down. It's going to go over and connect. Do the same thing here, down, over, and connect, like we're making a little rectangle there. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes down. It's going to go down a little farther and over. We're going to go down at an angle, down a little bit, and then just over. Then I'll make a line that comes out, and it's going to come right to here. We're going to go out and bring it right to here. Then I just want to make a line that goes down and over for a toe, down and over, and one more down and over. Same thing here, down and over, and one more down and over. Now up here we want to make the arms. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. It's going to go down and then come right to here. Same thing here, we're going to go out, I'm going to come in, and then we're going to bring it up. I'll make a little line that goes down and then in, kind of like a triangle. We'll go down and then in for that triangle shape. I'm going to make a line that comes down on each side. And then one that comes out on each side. Then I'm going to go down, over, and connect. I'm going to go down, over, and connect. Starting here, we're just going to make a line that goes down, we're going to go over, we're going to go down and up, and we'll connect it here. So we're going to go down, over, down, and then bring it right up here. Then we'll just connect it. Right here, I'm going to go out and in, out and in. We're going to go out, up, and then bring it to here. We're going to go out, up, and bring it to here. So right now we have our basic shape of Mechagodzilla. Now we want to come in here and add some of our different details. I'm going to begin right here by making 2 diagonal lines. I'm going to make another line that's going to go up. It's going to come right across and down. I'll make a line down here and a line down here. And we're going to make a line that goes over and down, and one that's going to go over and down. And I'll put another one right across here. I'll make 2 lines that come up here, and we'll make 2 lines that come up here. I'm going to draw a line here and a line here. Make a line here and a line here. We'll make a line that goes up and over, up and over, up and over, up and over. And we'll draw a line right across here. Now, on the legs, I'm just going to make a line that goes down, and it's going to come to here, down, and then come to here. We're going to make a line across here on each side, and a line that comes down with a little rectangle shape. I'm going to make a line that comes down on each side. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes down on each side. I'm going to make a line that goes over. It's going to come up, over, down, and then over. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down, over, and up. I'm going to make it go down, over, and then up here. Starting here, let's make a line that's going to come down, it's going to go over, and then right back up to this corner. Let's make a little square shape on each side. We'll make a line that's going to go down and over, and one over here too, and a line down, another line down here. And let's make a line that goes up, over, and down. I'm going to make a line that goes up and over, and we're going to go up and over here. And I'm just going to bring this line back to here. Up on the top here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to go over and then up. And then I'm just going to do one more up here. Now up here at the top, we're going to make a line that's going to go up, over, and down for one of his spikes. Over here, we'll make a line that goes up, down, and we're going to connect it to here. Go up, down, and then connect it. We'll draw a line right across the top of each one. Over here, I'm just going to add a couple quick little lines. And I'm going to add a couple lines here just to add some more detail. Now, for the tail, we want the tail to come out here. So I'm just going to draw a line that curves down to here. I'm going to bring it out. I'm going to go up and bring it over here to the hand. Make a little line that goes out and then down, so it's kind of at a point. And I'll run a little line right across here with two little lines here. I'm also going to put a big point at the end too. And right here, let's make a little line that goes up and down for part of the nose. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon Mechagodzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.